got this beautiful purple GT3RS in. This one we're gonna be doing the MARTINI theme stripes and lettering. It's gonna be really cool. Very good client of ours. I think with the purple, with the MARTINI on there, which is pretty rare, it's gonna look really good. So we'll get this bad boy done in a few days.
So we have a 95 Acura NSX here. Left rear and right rear hub assembly is making noise. It's gone bad already. So we're going to replace it with a new hub assembly, left rear and right rear. And then afterwards do a service on it. You do a tune-up, get it ready, and release it to the customer. Very nice. So we have a G-Wagon here. As you guys remember, we did do a lot of work on it last time. We did the red calipers already this morning. We're also installing a front and rear camera system on this car. We're also going to do an alignment on the car.
Thank you so much. I'll be back.
Hey, Dice. See ya.
Even Dice approves of RDBLA's work.
Can't get out. Looks like you got sideswiped. We're waiting for the insurance company to come and check it out. See what we're gonna do with it.
You're funny, huh? You're not fucking funny.
Well,
That's bored.
nothing like a nice neck tattoo with the lollipop in your mouth.
Everyone's bored here. I can tell.
Don't move.
How does that come off?
With rubbing it. Perfectly, Vic. It's good.
Yeah, but what is it? It's not.
It's a tattoo, bro.
Yeah, but it's not.
RDB tattoo. You want me to take a picture? Here. I'll take a picture.
It's not a balik, is it?
No, it's not a dick, bro.
So we got Future's Aventador here. We didn't do the wrap, came from Atlanta. The car has a door problem, it doesn't close. So right now we're gonna take the hinge off, replace his hinge real fast. Same day, real quick service, helping out Future with this one.
I like it like that, she working that back. I don't know how to act. Slow motion for me, slow motion for me, slow motion for me, moving slow motion for me.
Here I got another door lock for an Aventador. This car came to us about an hour ago. He's having an emergency. The door does not close. In my hand I have another Aventador door lock. This is the electric door lock that holds the door down, locks it, doesn't open. Future bought us this Aventador about 1 hour ago and we're already replacing his door lock. He is in the studio right now. He needs his car fixed and done before he gets out. We only have about an hour left. We're gonna take off his old one, which is broken. We're gonna be replacing it and delivering the car, and we're done. So only at RDB. Here we have a fender flare from a G4x4. Unfortunately, customer hit it, broke it. This whole flare is carbon fiber, so once it breaks, it's toast. As you can see, half of it is the matte black factory color and half of it is the matte carbon. So if we go over there, this is a brand new one from Mercedes, no aftermarket. This is OEM, tough to get, but we got it pretty fast. We sanded it, got it ready for the paint. We're going to be doing the precision striping on it. So we can paint half of it matte black, and then we'll take off the striping and we'll paint the whole thing with the matte clear coat. So at the end, it's gonna look exactly like factory. We don't have to paint anything else on the car. It'll be perfect match, and the car will be ready to go. The Aventador for future is done. Door handle works. The door closes properly. Everything's good. Car came to us with the door open. You have to drive with his hand on the door to leave the door down. So now we fixed it. All in a few hours of time. All good to go. On to the next one.
So we have a 95 Acura NSX. As you guys know, bearings were making really loud noises on this car.
Very nice.
Left rear, right rear, they've all been replaced, brand new. Axle's been repaired, and the car is perfect, test driven, no noise. Customer's gonna be very happy. 95 Acura NSX, good to go.
Sunset Boulevard. Let's get the fuck out of here. Who's that BMW back there? I mean, if you're in a Porsche GT3RS and you're driving on the street, every BMW wants to race you, so it happens. We just finished up the GT3RS. We don't really have to do a test drive on this one. We did a lot of vinyl graphics. We didn't remove anything. However, it's a good friend of ours, and it's a GT3RS, so. Fucking traction. Test drive is optional, but we're opting to do it, so it's more of a joyride, as some people would call it. So we're on a joyride of this GT3RS. Man, it's like a race car on the streets. It's not blistering fast, it's quick enough, however it's glued to the floor. Complete control of the car. Turn traction off, you can still control it really good. Slides, whatever you want, you can still be in control. So totally balanced car. The GT3RS is a crazy looking car. We did the MARTINI vinyls on it. We had to custom design it. Took a lot of designing to get it right. We did it on the side door panels. However, we went above and also went over the hips of the car, the quarter panels. So that's a little tough to design that. Still the signature MARTINI colors, so the baby blue and the red. This one has a BBI exhaust system, so also sounds great. It really doesn't need much else. The roll cage is yellow, brakes are yellow, so we're gonna keep that all yellow. So this car is a mixture of baby blue, red, the ultraviolet blue or purple, the yellow. So it looks incredible. Everybody's loving it right now. So yeah, customer's coming to pick it up very soon. She's going to be ecstatic, so we're very excited for her to see it. On to the next one.